Brian.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day in the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Be impeccable with your word. Manifest your true intentions. Regardless of what language you speak, your intent will be manifested through the word. What you dream, what you feel, and what you really are will be manifested through what you say each and every day. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 221, NASDAQ off 82, S&Ps are down 30. Gold contract trading down $25.20 at $19.84 an ounce. We got silver down 71 cents, $24.26 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 97 cents, $79.76 a barrel. Notes and bonds. 10-year note down a full point, plus 5 ticks at 110.31. The 30-year off 2 points, plus 13 ticks at 123.25. And King Dollar. King Dollar is trading up 914 ticks at 101.801. That was a huge rejection of lower price on King Dollar today. It actually did it before the market opened, too, folks. Euro 109. Yen trading at 139, the British pound at 127 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? Well, it's going to get really intriguing out here. Why? Well, you know, we went up. Well, the Dow, this would have been the 14th day in a row that... Well, it was the 14th day in a row that the Dow had a higher high. Now, the Dow gave it up. That would have been the longest streak in 123 years if it was actually positive. And right now, the odds of this going up another 230 points don't look too good. So bottom line is that, you know, that this is going to be a pullback. We'll see where this baby wants to go. We get over to the SPY. We take a look at the SPY. You're going to see all of these basically failed at highs. You take a look at the SPY. The SPY got up to 459.44. Right now, you're at 452.97. If we get into the futures and we take a look at the futures, it's been, you know, since noontime, it's been a kind of a one-way, well, it has been a one-way run down. It started, what is that? Yeah, it started right about noon, right? Well, actually, 11:40. This is actually, we finally got one bar, you know, that got a little pop. But the bottom line, it started at 11:40, straight move down, gave it up. We got to 46.34. Right now, you're 45.71. If you remember, we bring this back, what you're going to see, first what it was doing, and if you are an intraday trader, folks, this is where, and we had, you know, a tiger in the den. Of course, I was on it because I marked these things down like crazy. But the bottom line, the first thing it went after was the high volume low on Monday, which was the 45.68. We got the 45.62. Right now, you're 45.71. That being said, I suspect what we're going to see is that you're going to see more selling into the close, because normally what ends up happening is that when you get a day, not just a day, we've been in a nice uptrend, okay? And when you open up strong, particularly after the Fed meeting, right, it looked that, okay, this thing's going to really move, okay? You get a lot of buying that comes in. And then you get a failure. When that happens, folks, what tends to happen is that as we come into the close, there's plenty of folks that, you know, bottom line, they're going to get out of the position. And that's, you know, that's why you get more selling coming into the close. That's how it normally shakes out. So we'll see how this baby shakes out right now. You get the first positive bar out here since 11:40 this morning. You know, we hit a low already at 15.538. No. 15.5. No, we couldn't have went it. We didn't go up. Something's wrong here. Where are they getting that from? I don't even care. There's no way we went from 538 to, let me look at this, to 581. We didn't go up 50 S&P points. I got something happening here. 1 second. There we go. Okay, so the low is 538. Where are they getting it? Oh, I see that. No, I see where they get that from. They started that yesterday. Okay. The bottom line is that you can expect lower prices coming as they close. We go to the we go to the dollar. Let's go to the dollar because this gets really intriguing inside the dollar. What we had, now this is where if you keep your eye also on the dollar, what had happened this morning is this, is that at 8:30, I think this was when the GDP came out, the dollar absolutely rejected lower price. It just took off like a rocket ship. So you had the dollar trading up like 750 ticks with the futures still up. So if you took that correlation, you know, the correlation's pretty tight. You know, the bottom line, you had a good probability that you wouldn't have been buying. You don't have to sell, but the bottom line, you wouldn't have been buying. So right now we get the dollar at 101.796, and this 102 is game. So we'll see how this. And right next to 102, so this could be a whole different ball game. Because we'll see what the NABC would be like. We don't have volume on the dollar. 101.600. So you get 2. That'd be 102.500. Well, that's what we'll probably do. We're going to do something that. It's going to be further than we expect. That's what I expect this thing's going to be. Gold. Let's go to look at the gold contract. They hit gold as the dollar was going higher. They hit gold. Gold turned and went down to 1981. Right now we are trading 1983. You get 180,000 contracts. We get let me go to the GLD because we're rolling on the gold contract. We go to the GLD. You get some volume here. This is going to go fill the gap. There's a couple gaps on the GLD that's going to fill. Stay right there, folks. Come right back with our man, Mr. Tim Ward. Stay right there.